So I've plugged this into the port of my Audi. Looks like it doesn't automatically power on like the old CRP129. So let me hit the power button here. Alright, so it's booting up. It is nice that this has a built-in battery, so you can review things after it's disconnected from the vehicle. Detecting the VIN number. Okay. It's doing a few things. Scanning. Maybe a little bit faster in scanning than the old CRP129, but not tremendously faster. But I do like this nice summary page with everything right here, easy to access. It shows all the different codes right on one screen, which is very nice. The old CRP129, you had to arrow down and select each one individually. So far I like this pretty well. I'll do some more testing on it on some other vehicles. Let's see what other things we can do here. Go back. Go ahead and clear that code. There's just one code because this car doesn't have the factory radio, so it's probably gonna come back with that code again. So let's return to the main menu. Go back. Yes. Let's go back. Let's see what other things we can do here. We've got this battery voltage. Let's start the car. It probably will jump up and down. So it went down as we cranked it. Now it's gone up to show it's charging. So that's kind of handy to see if your starter is drawing too much voltage or not. So it's a handy little feature. The I am readiness. So a lot of the things are not ready since I reset those codes. Let's see what diagnose shows. So I like this auto detect. A lot easier than having to scroll through the different makes, models, engine sizes, etc. Which I've always thought that's kind of strange that most code readers have you select all that when it should be able to pull it right from the ECU itself. So this one apparently now does that, which is great. Let's see, so it's doing the scan again. What other features it can do. So it looks like you can share the results. Let's go back. So let's read some ECU information. Here's where we can look at the data streams. is actually my first time using this new one. So let's just select a few of these to see what it may show. I'll say OK on those. So it's showing a lot of the information there. So this looks pretty handy. Guess you can save reports, you can record it. So overall, I'm really liking this new enhanced CRP129X. So I'll leave some more updates after I've tried it on a few other vehicles.
Hi there, today I just want to do a bit of a review on the Launchpad 129X. I've upgraded from the 123 and it's a big jump in features and friendliness and how it works. This has got a touch screen with optional settings. You can connect to the network. You can change your from metric to imperial, and a very handy feature is the screen capture, where you can switch screen capture on and off, where you've got a little button and an icon on the top, where if you want a screen to be captured, you just hit the button and it takes a screenshot. You can set date, time, languages, where it will email you different your reports. And then also a very handy feature is the reset functionality, where you can do your brake light reset, oil and service resets, steering angle and electronic throttle bodies, and your tire pressure resets. This is a big upgrade from the 123. And then also that helps a lot is once you've diagnosed your car, this will bring up a report, and you can actually go in and email the report to yourself. There is quite a load of cars and trucks that are covered, and this is a long list. We've gone into the diagnostics side of it. We have done a auto detect, and we've allowed the tool to auto detect the truck. It's given us a nice report and analysis of the vehicle. You can then go in and see that this vehicle obviously has got no errors on it. The nice part is you can hit the share button, and this will then email you your diagnostics report. You just have to fill in your details and it'll mail it to you if you have your Wi-Fi connected. Now, if you go into your diagnosis trouble codes, if you've picked up anything, or if you just want to go and play around with it, you can go just one step back out of your report, hit the enter button, and it'll start communicating with whatever subsystem you are selecting. The nice part is you can get information, you can actually read live data streams and clear your fault codes. And if you go auto select, and then there's all the different sensors that you can read, and if you're driving or the vehicle is running, you can read all the data centers in real time. Very handy feature of the 129X is that if you've connected it to the Wi-Fi, it's got the ability to upgrade directly from their website. So if you hit the upgrade button, where the 123, you have to physically take out your memory card, upgrade it, and then stick it back in and then reprogram your device. This, literally, you go into upgrade, you select the module of the vehicle that you want to upgrade, or if you want to upgrade the base code of the unit, it's literally hit a button, select the code that you want, and hit update, and it'll automatically download it from their website and update the device. And if the cars have got a later code or diagnostics version, it'll also automatically download it if selected. So I want to thank everybody that's going to look and have fun playing with the toy. Thank you. Bye-bye.
All right, well, today we have the launch reader. So let's see what's inside the box. Yeah, it comes in a nice zipper case. Very attractive. Charging cable and connection cable.
Hi sister, yale maneno nilikwambia ndo hapa. Mfano umetuomba tu close hapa. Tunaenda ku close. Alafu baadaye nakuletea hivyo. Kwa hiyo tukienda kama nilivyoomba mwishoni kwamba start it again, tukienda ku start tu press okay. Tuna press okay, inaturudisha huko. Hata kama tukifanya tena vile itarudi kule kule tulikotoka.
Alright, here's a little cool feature that I found as far as battery starter testing. Do a little startup. Then we get our RPM up. And we've just checked static voltage, starter draw, and alternator output. Great use of this tool.